One. All right. This question is question number 5 from the June 2017 paper. It says that PTRS, not drawn to scale, is a quadrilateral. Q is a point on PT such that QT, QR, and QP are equal. Angle QRT is equal to 76 degrees. We're asked to determine, given a reason for each step of your answer, the measure of angle RQT. All right, remember, when three letters are used to reference an angle, the angle is always at the letter in the middle, or the vertex of the angle is always at the letter in the middle. So the angle we need to find is angle RQT. That's this angle here. All right, so let's call it theta. All right, now the first thing I'd point out is that triangle RQT is an isosceles triangle. If that be the case, it means that Q would be the apex because the two equal sides meet at the apex, and opposite from the apex is the base, and the two base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. So if the angle up here is 76 degrees, it means that the angle at Q is also 76 degrees. All right, now the three interior angles of a triangle add up to 180. So theta plus 76 plus 76 is equal to 180 degrees. They are the interior angles of an isosceles triangle. So theta is equal to 180 minus 152 theta, which is angle RQT, is equal to 28 degrees. So this angle here is 28 degrees. Now, the next angle we're asked to find is angle SPT. The next angle we need to find is angle SPT, given that angle SRT is 145 degrees. So we're told that angle SRT, that's this entire angle here, is 145 degrees. We're also told that angle PSR is equal to 100 degrees. So angle PSR, that will be this angle here, is equal to 100 degrees. All right? And the angle we're asked to find is angle SPT. So that will be angle SPT. That will be this angle here. All right? Now, how are we going to find this? Let's call it alpha. All right? So SRTP is a quadrilateral. We're told that. Or PTRS is a quadrilateral. Now, the interior angles of all quadrilateral, the four interior angles of all quadrilateral add up to 360 degrees. So therefore, alpha, which is angle SPT, would be equal to 360 minus, and that would be 100, 145, and 76, minus 100 degrees plus 145 degrees plus 76 degrees. So this would be 360 minus 321 degrees. So let's double check and to ensure that that is correct. 100 plus 145 plus 76. 321. And so the angle here is 39 degrees. So go back. The angle here, that's alpha, is 39 degrees. All right, this is the B part of the question. And the B part of the question, we're told that the diagram below shows triangle ABC and its image A prime, B prime, C prime under a single transformation. So ABC is the object and A prime, B prime, C prime is the image. All right, so we have object and we have image. We're asked to describe completely the transformation that maps triangle ABC onto triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. All right, so just looking at this, I can see that the transformation here is a rotation, that the direction of the rotation is clockwise, and that the angle of rotation is 90 degrees, 1, and 2, the center of rotation is the origin. So what are my clues? All right, well, in a 90-degree rotation, horizontal lines become vertical and vertical lines become horizontal. So the line AB, which is horizontal, becomes the line A prime, B prime, which is vertical. So that's one clue, letting me know that I'm dealing with a 90-degree rotation. I know that the center of the rotation is the origin because the coordinates interchange. So A, which was the point minus 4, 1, became A prime, which is 1, 4. So the coordinates interchange. All right. One of them changed sign, but that's not the issue. The issue is that the coordinates interchange. So therefore, triangle ABC is mapped onto triangle A prime, B prime, C prime by a clockwise rotation of 90 degrees about the origin. All right. Next, so again, if you're describing rotation, there are three things you need. You need to know what is the direction of rotation, the angle of rotation, and the center of the rotation. In this case, the direction of the rotation is clockwise, the angle of rotation is 90 degrees, and the center of rotation is the origin. II says translation the translation vector t, which is 4 minus 5, maps triangle a prime, b prime, c prime to triangle a double prime, b double prime, c double prime. On the diagram above, draw the triangle a prime, a double prime, b double prime, c double prime. All right, so the triangle ABC is going to be translated using the translation vector t, which is 4 minus 5. The top value in the um, translation vector deals with horizontal movement. And the bottom value is for vertical movement. If the top value is positive, it means that you're moving to the right. And since the bottom value is negative, you're going down. So we're going to move the triangle A prime, B prime, C prime 4 units to the right and 5 units down. So if we do that, it's going to move 1, 2, 3, 4 units to the right and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units down. So this is going to become the new position of A double prime. That's the new position of A double prime. All right. sorry, of A prime, so this becomes the point A double prime. All right, 3 units down. All right, 3 units down, you're gonna have B double prime, so this is gonna be B double prime. And 2 units across, you're gonna have C double prime, so this is C double prime. And all that remains after you have identified the 3 points is to connect them using your what? Ruler. Connect them using your straight edge. Alright? So you must use a ruler to do this. I'm not using a ruler, but you should. Alright? So this triangle would be A double prime, B double prime, C double prime.